Hey everyone, welcome back to Maryfox Crypto, the channel where you are subscribed for the latest Bitcoin news, price action, and all things crypto. In this video, we're going to be talking about the price of Bitcoin. A lot of people were expecting to finally see the breakout, however, that did not happen. We will talk about that in this video, and we will also talk about the current price action, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Please subscribe, leave a comment down below, like this video, share it with your friends, press the notification bell so you get notified when I post a new video. And if you are an experienced trader, make sure to check out the link in the description of this video. You can get up to $1,600 bonus on BYBIT for free for your trading if you sign up with my link. And of course, this way you also support my channel. And remember, if you already have an account there, you can always make a new one if you want to take this opportunity. And with that being said, let's start talking about the price of Bitcoin. And we will start by looking at a daily time frame. So on a daily time frame, things are not looking great. We saw this huge drop in price, this huge bearish candle, and of course you probably know that happened because of the Elon Musk and his stupid tweet. He said basically that you can't buy Tesla with Bitcoin anymore, and he also wrote this stupid reason here. You probably already saw it. So I do not agree with him at all, especially with his reason, but because a lot of people believe every word he says, they believe that he is always right, this is what happens. And also there are a lot of traders who like to trade such news. If you're a trader, this is a good signal for you, I guess, because you can also trade the news, and this was a very bearish message from Elon. So with that being said, let's look at the current situation on the daily time frame. So we are forming a red cloud now because the leading span A is below the leading span B, which is this red line. And also we do not have the support of the mountain because, as you can see right here, the lagging span is so far away from the closing price of this candle. So we do not have the support of the mountain. And the price is currently trading below the cloud, and it is also below the conversion line and the baseline. However, we might actually see something bullish here because the conversion line will probably cross the baseline from below, and this is always a bullish signal. However, if we do not have the support of the mountain, the probability that this will lead to some bullish price action is not that great. And we are also breaking below this support line at around $48,600 area. We still have this support line, another one at around $44,800 area. So we still can bounce off this support line and go up. However, let's see what's going on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we are also forming a red cloud, and our lagging span is also far away from the closing price of this candle, which means that we also do not have the support of the mountain on the 4-hour time frame. And the price of Bitcoin currently have been consolidating in this channel, and we finally broke below it. So this is not a good sign at all. And also the price is currently trading below the conversion line, which is this purple line, and the baseline, which is a yellow line here. All of our signals on a 4-hour time frame are bearish. Now let's take a look at a 1-hour time frame. So on a 1-hour time frame, we have just started forming a red cloud. The price is currently trading below the conversion line and the baseline as well, and we saw a cross between the baseline and the conversion line, and this is actually a bearish cross. And we also do not have the support of the mountain, so things are not looking great on a 1-hour chart. In my opinion, people are just starting to panic, and this is not time to panic yet. Do not sell all your Bitcoin. I'm bullish on Bitcoin in the long term. As you know, the best strategy is just buy and hold Bitcoin. And in this case, you are protecting yourself from the losses that you can make from trading. But if you are an experienced trader, I want to remind you guys again that you can check the link in the description of this video and you could get up to $1,600 bonus on BYBIT for free for your trading if you sign up with my link and make a deposit, and this way you will also support my channel. So I think that was all for today's video. Make sure you don't sell off your Bitcoin. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave a like on this video. Leave a comment down below. Share it with your friends. Press the notification bell so you get notified when I post a new video. And also, do not forget to subscribe to my Twitter. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye.